Hi everyone, my name is Gokar, and today we're going to do our discussion presentation one. And in this presentation, I'm going to talk about the Python programming certifications. I'll go through the questions we were given, share my own thoughts, and explain a few things based on what I have learned and seen from others in the field. So the first question, why might someone pursue a Python programming certification? There are actually a few reasons why someone might want to get certified in Python. First, Alpha Python is used in a lot of different areas like cybersecurity, data science, automation, web development, you name it. If someone's new to the tech or trying to switch to careers, a certification is a good way to show they have learned the basics. So some people also just want something official to put on their resumes, like a badge that say, "Hey, I actually know how to code in Python." They can make a big difference if they don't have a college degree or a lot of work experience. And honestly, sometimes it's just for personal motivation. When you have a goal like passing a certification test, it keeps you focused. You follow a clear path, you study step by step, and when you pass, it feels like an like achievement. It's also good for people who want to learn in a more organized way instead of the watching like the random videos or reading scattered tutorials online. So overall, it's about the showing your skills, building in the confidence, and giving structure to your learning. So the second question, do you believe that Python certifications are essential for career advancement in fields like software development, data science, cybersecurity, or web development? Why or why not? This is actually a good question, and I would say no, they're not essential, but they can definitely help. Most employers are looking for what you can do, not just what you have passed. If you have built a project, work on the real world problems, or have a job experience, that usually carries more weight than just having a certificate. But at the same time, if you're just starting out, a Python certification can help you to get it noticed. It shows that you have taken the time to learn that you are serious about it, especially in competitive files like cybersecurity or data science. Having a certification might give you a small edge when they're applying for internship or entry level jobs. Also, for people who don't have a traditional computer science degree, certifications can be a way to fill in the gap. They're not a replacement for experience, but they're good for addition. So, no, the answer is no. It's not required, but very useful, especially early in your career or when you are changing the directions. So, third question, what are the some popular the Python program certifications and organizations available today? Can you describe the key features, requirements, and benefits of the certifications? Actually, there are quite a few out there, but I'll focus on the most well-known and respected ones. The first one, PCEP, it's called Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer. This one is from the Python Institute, and it's made for the people who are the brand new to coding. It covers the basic syntax, data types, loops, conditions, and the simple the functions. There's no prerequisite, so you can take it as your first step as a short exam, like 45 minutes, and it's a good starting point to build your confidence. The second one is PCAP, so which is called Certified Associate in Python Programming. Also, this course from the Python Institute too, and this is the next level after PCEP. So it covers more advanced topics like object-oriented programming, error handling, file operations, and using the models. This one is better if you already know the basics and want to take things like further. Both of these are well recognized, and then the Python Institute offers them at testing centers or online. The third one is the Microsoft Python certification. So Microsoft has a Python for data science course on EDX. So basically, it's free to learn, but if you want the certificate, you pay for it at the end. It focuses more on using Python with the data, which is helpful if you're looking at data science or analytics roles. The fourth one, the Google's Python classes. Google Python classes are free and those are like pretty solid. It doesn't give you the certificate, but it includes great videos and exercises. It's made for the people who already know some the programming and want to learn the Python fast. So the last one is going to be Udemy and the Coursera Python certifications. Those are the real populars because they are affordable and flexible. You can find beginner to advanced courses, including the things like Python for automation, web development, or machine learning. Some of them offer a certificate at the end. The quality can vary tough, and so it's good to check ratings and the reviews like before choosing. The benefits of all these certifications are like pretty similar, and they help you to learn in a structured way, and then they give you a proof of your skills and they help like boost your resume. They are also a good way to prepare for technical interviews or the assessments where the Python is required. So if we came up with my the final thoughts, so overall I would say the Python certifications are a great tool, especially when you are learning or trying to get your foot in the door. They're not the magic, but you still need to build the projects and actually know how to code. But they can really help with the directions and the motivations. So for someone like me who is studying the cybersecurity and working to grow in the tech file, I see certifications as part of the journey, but not the whole picture, but definitely a useful piece of it. So thanks for watching my presentation, and I'm looking forward to hearing what you all think about this too, and I will check out your posts and response to them soon. Thanks.